students, today we will do our last exercise of your chapter number 6, triangles. So the first question is PQR is a triangle right angle at P. So first we can draw right triangle in which measure of one angle is of 90 degree. So triangle name is PQR and right angle at which point? P point. So mark your point P, Q and R. So this is your triangle PQR, the right angle at point P. Next, if PQ is 10 centimeter, measure of PQ, this one is 10 centimeter and PR is 24 centimeter. Measure of this PR is of length 24 centimeter. We have to find the length of QR, this one. So QR is what? QR is the hypotenuse of this triangle. So the formula is the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. So the hypotenuse is here QR. Square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum means you have to add. Sum of the square of other two sides. Other two sides are PQ and PR. PQ square and PR square. Hypotenuse the square, other two sides the square, they sum they equal. Alright, so we have to find what? Q1. Measure of PQ is here 10 centimeter. So put here 10. And measure of PR is here 24 centimeter. Now what is the 10 square? 10 square is 100. And 24 square is 576. Now 576 plus 100, it is 676. Now you can see here this 676 is a perfect square number or not. So 676 is a square of number 26. So you can write this QR square is equal to 26 square because 26 square is 676. Now square from both hand side you should cancel them. ठीक है, अगर इक्वल टू बोथ हैंड साइड की स्क्वायरिंग का पावर 2 या 3 या 4, ठीक है, अगर पावर सेम होगी तो उससे हम कैंसिल करो. सो व्हाट इज द लेंथ ऑफ क्यूआर? क्यूआर इज 26 सेंटीमीटर. ऑलराइट, सो दिस इज योर क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट. नेक्स्ट इज द सेकंड क्वेश्चन. ABC is a triangle right angle at C. So here is the question. ABC is a triangle right angled at C. Right angled at C. If AB is 25 centimeter, AB is what? AB is the hypotenuse. And AC is 7 centimeter. This is AC. It is of measure 7 centimeter. We have to find what? Find BC. We have to find the length of BC. Clear, students? So here hypotenuse is what? AB. So right here AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. So length of AB is 25. So put here 25 square. And the length of AC is here 7. Equal to 7 square plus, and we have to find the value of BC. So BC is written as this. Now the 25 square is 625 and the 7 square is 49. Now to take this 49 on the left hand side, so it is subtracted from 625. So 625 minus 49, it is 576. Now 576 is a perfect square of which number? So it is a perfect square and it is square of number 24. So you can write here 24 square is equal to BC square. Now you can see here left hand side and right hand side, both of the terms have same power, so you can cancel this power 2. So what is the length of BC? So BC is of measure 24 centimeter. Clear, students? So this is your question number first and second. Next, this is your question number third. A 15-meter long ladder reached the window 12 meter high from the ground. So this is your ladder its length is 15 meter long. It means the length of ladder is 15 meter. A 15 meter long ladder reached a window 12 meter high from the ground. It means the window is here and that window is 12 meter above from the ground. It means height is given 12 meter. On placing it against a wall at a distance A, and the distance between this foot of ladder and the base of this building is A. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall. So again, you have to find the value of foot of the ladder from the foot of the wall. ठीक है? तो wall का base होगा and the foot of the ladder, उनके बीच की distance find करो. So you can see here, this is again a right angle triangle because the building is always vertical to the ground. Building हमेशा vertically होगी, straight होगी. So this angle is of measure 90 degree. And hypotenuse is here this one. Take the point ABC. AC is the length of ladder, that is hypotenuse 15 meter. This AB is the side of measure 12 meter. We have to find the length of BC. So the formula is here which one? Pythagoras property. So the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides. So here hypotenuse is AC. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. What is the length of AC? AC is 15 meters. So 15 square is equal to AB. AB is of measure 12. And we have to find what BC. So here BC is taken as A. Right there A square. So what is 15 square? It is 225. 12 square is 144 plus A square. Now you have to take this 144 on left hand side. It is 225 minus 144 is equal to A square. So 5 minus 4 1, 12 minus 4 8, and 1 minus 1 0. So it is A square. Now 81 is the perfect square of which number? 9, because 9 nines are 81. So you can write here A square is equal to 9 square. Now on the opposite side, here power is same, so you can cancel this power. And what is the value of it? 9 meter. It means the distance between the foot of the ladder and the base of a building is 9 meter. So this is your question number 3. Next, this is your question number 4. Which of the following can be the sides of a right triangle? So there are 3 parts. In first part, there are 3 sides given: 2.5 centimeter, 6.5 centimeter, and 6 centimeter. So we have to check that these given sides are of a right angle triangle or not. So first of all, let us consider the largest side as a hypotenuse. That is, up to largest side होगी length. So you can take an add a hypotenuse. If the square of hypotenuse, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides, then these sides are of a right angle triangle. If Pythagoras property hold here, then these given sides are of a right angle triangle. Otherwise, not. So first, you can see here from the following these 3 sides, which one is largest? This one, 6.5 centimeter. So you can assume this 6.5 as a hypotenuse. Alright. So what is the formula? Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. The other two sides, in which one of them taken as perpendicular and the other one is taken as base. So hypotenuse is here which one? 6.5. 6.5 square is equal to perpendicular square. Perpendicular is, you can take any one, 2.5 or 6. Clear? So I'll take 2.5 square and next base is taken as 6 square. So we can check that left hand side is equal to right hand side or not. So 6.5 square. 6.5 square is how much? 42.25. 6.5 square is 42.25. What is the 2.5 square? It is 6.25. And 6 square is 36. So when you add this 36 and 6.25, it is how much? 36 plus 6, 42.25. So you can see here value on left hand side and right hand side both are same. So these sides are of a right angle triangle. Clear students? Because the Pythagoras property hold here. So you can write here yes. Sides are of right angle triangle and hypotenuse is here which one? 6.5. 6.5 centimeter. Now see the second part. 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So among the three sides, the largest one is 5 centimeter. So you can assume it as a hypotenuse. So 5 square is equal to 2 square plus 2 square. Other two sides are same, 2 and 2. So you can take the perpendicular and base, both of same 2 and 2. So 5 square is here what? 25. 2 square is 4 and again 2 square is 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8. Now left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So 25 is not equal to 8. So that's why these three sides are not of a right angle triangle. Because Pythagoras property doesn't hold here. So you can write here no. The given sides are not of a right angle triangle. Clear? The last third part is 1.5 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 2.5 centimeter. So among these three sides, the largest one is 0.5. So you can take and consider as it a hypotenuse. So it is 2.5 square is equal to 1.5 square and 2 square. So what is the 2.5 square? 2.5 square is 6.25. 1.5 square is 2.25 and 2 square is how much? It is 4. So now when you add this 2.25 and 4, it is 6.25. So 6.25 is equal to 6.25. The values on left hand side and right hand side both are same. So that's why this given three sides are of a right angle triangle. The largest side is 2.5. So the hypotenuse is 2.5 centimeter. So this is your question number 4. Thank you.